In the realm of philosophy, science fiction, and even scientific inquiry, a perplexing question has loomed over human understanding. Are we living in a simulation? This intriguing proposition suggests that the reality we perceive may not be as concrete as it seems, but rather a sophisticated computer-generated construct. While this notion may initially sound far-fetched, it has garnered increasing attention and support in recent years. In this exploration, we will delve into the concept of living in a simulation and examine the arguments supporting this audacious hypothesis. The simulation hypothesis. The simulation hypothesis posits that our existence is not an objective physical reality but a meticulously crafted digital simulation akin to a highly advanced video game or computer program. This idea is not solely the product of science fiction, as renowned figures like philosopher Nick Bostrom have formulated compelling arguments in its favor. Bostrom's simulation argument, outlined in a seminal paper published in 2003, postulates three possibilities. 1. Human civilizations never advance to a stage where they can create highly realistic simulations of their own history. 2. Civilizations advance to the point where they can create such simulations but choose not to. 3. We are almost certainly living in a simulation. Bostrom argues that if civilizations do reach a point where they can create simulations of reality and have the inclination to do so, the sheer number of simulated worlds would vastly outnumber the single real reality. Therefore, the probability of us being in one of those simulations is exceedingly high. Advancements in technology. One of the key arguments supporting the simulation hypothesis is the rapid advancement of technology. Our computational power has increased exponentially over the past few decades, with innovations such as virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and artificial intelligence, AI, pushing the boundaries of what we can create in digital environments. Consider the astonishingly realistic video games and simulations available today. These digital realms are approaching levels of fidelity and complexity that challenge our ability to distinguish them from the physical world. As technology continues to evolve, it becomes increasingly plausible that future civilizations could create simulations indistinguishable from our reality. Quantum mechanics and uncertainty. Quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, introduces a level of uncertainty and strangeness that aligns with the idea of a simulated reality. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, and their behavior often seems probabilistic rather than deterministic. Some proponents of the simulation hypothesis argue that this quantum weirdness could be the result of a simulation's underlying code, which introduces randomness to create a more dynamic and unpredictable virtual universe. In this view, the strange phenomena of quantum mechanics are akin to the quirks and glitches one might encounter in a complex video game. The informational nature of reality. Another intriguing aspect of the simulation hypothesis is the idea that reality may be fundamentally informational. In this view, everything we perceive as matter and energy could ultimately be reduced to bits of data and code. The concept aligns with some interpretations of string theory and the idea that fundamental particles may be like bits of information. Physicists like John Archibald Wheeler have posited that the universe may have a it-from-bit nature, implying that the foundation of reality is not matter but information. If this is the case, it could suggest that our universe is more like a vast computer program, with the laws of physics being the code that governs it. Simulation paradoxes. The simulation hypothesis gives rise to several intriguing paradoxes. One such paradox is the Fermi paradox, which questions why we have not yet encountered extraterrestrial civilizations, despite the vast number of potentially habitable planets in the universe. If we assume that advanced civilizations could create simulations like the one proposed in the simulation hypothesis, it raises the possibility that we are alone in a simulated cosmos. Additionally, the simulation hypothesis raises ethical and existential questions. If we were to discover that our reality is indeed a simulation, what would it mean for our understanding of morality, consciousness, and the nature of existence itself? Would our lives have inherent meaning, or would they be mere playthings in the hands of some higher intelligence? Conclusion. The idea that we are living in a simulation is a captivating and thought-provoking concept that challenges our understanding of reality, consciousness, and the universe itself. While it remains a hypothesis without definitive proof, It raises profound questions about the nature of existence and the limits of human knowledge. As technology continues to advance and our understanding of the universe deepens, the simulation hypothesis may gain further traction or fade into obscurity. Nevertheless, it serves as a reminder that the universe is a mysterious and wondrous place, and our quest to unravel its secrets is an ongoing and essential part of the human experience. Whether we are living in a simulation or not, the pursuit of knowledge and understanding remains an enduring endeavor that defines our species.